Thank you again for taking your time out to watch our videos here at National Gear Repair. At National Gear Repair, we're specialists when it comes to single and dual extruder gearboxes. As you can clearly see in this video here, this is a KMD Krauss Maffei KMD 90 model that we're doing a full rebuild for one of our top clients in the Northwest. This box here has been split apart from the horizontal to the vertical section, and we're going to be doing a full rebuild. At National Gear Repair, we stock a large variety of tandem thrust bearings specifically for dual extruder gearboxes. This box here seems to be in decent condition on the vertical side. We are still exchanging every bearing and seal. However, on the horizontal part, as you can clearly see here, the dual shafts have been damaged. So we'll be exchanging these with brand new parts from Krauss Maffei. Not to mention, like I mentioned, the tandem bearing will be changed.
Also the
thrust bearing here will be changed by National Gear Repair. And all these boxes come back specifically timed from a certain pattern from the original OEMs. And National Gear Repair are experts when it comes to single and dual extruder gearbox repair. All their work here is warranted for 24 months from the date of startup, which means if we happen to repair a box for you, your warranty starts when you put it in production. Not while it sits on a shelf or in your boneyard or in your tool room or storage room. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channels as we put out video content daily. And last but not least, we'd like you to leave any comments, any questions, any concerns in regarding to this video that we're doing. Please continue to watch the full rebuild, and it shouldn't take too long. We usually compact about 3 or 4 minutes on our videos. But thank you again for watching, and please continue. Thank you. Thank you for taking your time to watch our video here at National Gear. I'm sure, as you've seen in this video, this is one of our KMD 90 gearboxes, a Krauss Maffei dual extruder that National Gear did a full rebuild. As you will see in the video, or as you saw in the video, we replaced the two output gears, the spline shafts, replaced all the bearings and seals, especially the tandem thrust bearings, with the ENA bearings, the two-piece ENA bearings. Why am I showing this video? Is because obviously during the pandemic, a lot of our suppliers was on shutdown, and National Gear Repair took the liberty and purchased a whole lot of parts, knowing that our vendors like yourself, our customers, would send your gearbox in for repair. So we took the liberty and we put out a couple $100,000 to buy a lot of parts. We have ENA bearings and seals, or bearings I should say, tandem thrust bearings. We got ENA two-piece complement bearings, needle bearings in stock. We got over 40 sets. Each box takes eight bearings. So we have a lot of bearings here. Tandem bearings, OEM specs. These are ready to rock and roll. In this video, we replaced the bearings, the tandem and the ENAs, reset the bearing floats and the preloads, we retimed the gears. This box is ready to rock and roll. We also replaced brand new plexiglass. If you feel free to take a look inside, you know, Muncie, and all that work is guaranteed for 24 months from startup. So if we happen to do a gearbox for you, your warranty starts when you put it in production, not when it ships from my shop. We're waiting here for our trucking company to get this thing headed back to our client. And we saved them almost $200,000 for buying a new gearbox with the 40-week lead time from Krauss Maffei. So feel free to contact us. We have a few locations in the country, opening up a third and fourth location this year. So right now we're out of Los Angeles, Chicago. We have Port Arthur, Texas coming next, and Toronto, Canada. So please feel free to contact us. Free pickup, free delivery, and free quotes nationwide. Good.